He ain't scared you, did it? You racing him?
No.
Okay. He said, nah, fuck no. Look, man. Look how people running away from him, man. They hiding, getting ready for cover. Oh, shit, what they running for now? He don't need to cut his car off. Ooh, ooh. He said, fuck the hood. Just keep it running, man. Did you run the same? Okay.
You didn't pay up on that video.
Yeah, I know. I paid.
Is it? Oh, he been to Butterfly? It been sounding like this.
Oh, that bitch hurt.
It's hurt now.
It hurt.
Ooh, don't let it go dead. Appreciate the follow. Who that up there? Pablo 9962 and Diamond. I don't know what that Diamond is. Oh, he ain't make no full pass either. Shit, it's on him now. Keep it running. Dang, man. He going through it a little bit today. That old Ford motor. Okay, okay. Offer him $500 for the car. What the hell?
Is Pedro watching? Is that Frankie?
I don't see if Pedro watching.
Is that Frankie?
I don't know. Is this Frankie?
Oh no, his other one.
Or the other
we
one?
got two of them now.
Oh, both of them running?
Well, I don't know. I'm here in the lanes looking for trouble.
Oh, okay. But we looking for Frank. Team Thundercock still in here, man. Team Thundercock in here for the win, y'all. He been donating. I don't even know what he donated, but he did donating all night. I got 420 people watching. 420, it's time to smoke some. Got the LSD. Alright, right now I'm finna go find Home Depot. See what the old Home Depot talking about. Is Gio LaFleur there tonight? Nah, I ain't seen him tonight. I don't think I seen old Gio. Team Thundercock, appreciate the subscription, the bits, everything you've been doing. You've been doing it up, man. Oh, y'all, look who here. Look who here, y'all. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. What's up with it, man? How y'all doing today?
Good.
You too, man?
What's up, man?
I'm having a good day. I ain't know hell yeah was coming. That changed the game up. Hell yeah! Goddamn. Come get some.
What do you got? What is it?
Come get some. That's what it is. No, I'm just messing. Let me see. Hell yeah. Y'all know about this car, the 420 people that is watching? It's a bad little mother. That's the fastest thing at the track. The crazy part is he'll actually try to make it a full pass. You know, that's dangerous. But he'll try it. He testing right here, y'all. Hell yeah. Look out. Somebody said you like a big Kool-Aid man. It's going like a motherfucker.
For sale.
Oh, for sale?
For sale. You promise you gonna run a number?
Okay, he said it's for sale. He promised you he'd run a number. Okay. Okay. Oh, shit. Okay, he do got some, y'all. Anybody need a, anybody trying to? Okay. anybody trying to get in the Taquacha Showdown, man, y'all let me know. We can get you a little starter truck. They say it sounds stock as fuck.
They want to try me? Where they at?
Yeah.
Talking all that shit on the couch, huh?
Yeah.
Keyboard warrior, motherfucker.
Keyboard warrior, he say. That's Bojangles, man. Bojangles, they say get something out here, man. You got the rims on there. Got the SS spoiler. Ooh. Where Home Depot is? Damn, man. Sounds like my tractor. DJ Kayla ain't playing. Damn, I don't even see Home Depot. He must blew it up, y'all. He at the trailer, man. If Home Depot ain't in it, look, there go the Tesla right there. What's up with it?
Look out!
Look out!
Attention in the pits!
Attention in the pits! What's up with it, man? Nothing much. Show everybody the lookout hat, man. They ain't
Yes,
never
sir.
seen it, man.
Every
Got that
time.
lookout racing hat on. It's going down. Looking pretty good.
He make a old motherfucker like me look.
Yeah,
in the
it
spot
put
anyway,
you
right?
fresh, man.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Put
sir.
you fresh. I thought you was somebody younger than what it
Yeah,
was.
I know. At least 20 years.
Yeah, I thought you lost 20 years.
I got me a dead Perry 2-speed and a new stall coming from my car.
Yeah.
And I'm putting the fogger and the plate on top of it.
Look, they say my man look 22 years younger with that hat.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Hey, I feel like I'm 22.
Yeah,
Anyway,
yeah.
I still get down like I'm 22.
Oh, he say he can still get down, y'all.
Damn right.
I got Team Thundercock on here.
Hey, did you see that bull crash earlier?
Yeah, I seen it.
Oh, damn.
Hey, I hope somebody clipped it.
And then he fucking, hey.
I almost wrecked it again. Crazy ass.
He
He got right back on the gas, started spinning the tires again.
Oh, yeah, down at the other. Yeah, he did. He didn't come back in the line, though. He
Didn't get back in the line. He probably.
Hey.
Oh, shit. Here we go.
A cupcake.
Do I want a cupcake?
Yes. I have chocolate and lemon that I made.
Miss, I just got to eating them tacos. I don't think that's finna mix right now.
Okay.
Wait until the track over with. I'm gonna come holler
Yeah,
at
I
you.
have them in the concession. I made
Yeah.
them. And I made these for all the kids, but I haven't seen any kids out tonight.
Oh yeah, you know they gotta
Hey,
go to school
everybody,
tomorrow.
Doggone has candy for all the kids.
Karen
And
has.
I've got chocolate cupcakes and lemon cupcakes.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
if you have a sweet tooth later, just stop by.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop by. I think I might have a sweet tooth later. Right now, I'm still getting a little bit of the old taco out of my teeth. I just got through chewing on it. It was still good.
I'm gonna go see if I can't find some kiddos.
Okay.